Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you a composition technique to create something that looks like a portal to another 3D scene. So to start creating this patch, first let's create a 3DS face. Let's create a simple one. Let's start with the box. Get a null. Right-click and add geometry. Then render it. Add camera and light. Go to the box parameters and enable use divisions. It's not important really, but I prefer to have it like this to show a simple 3D space with the dimensions. Let's increase the size. Okay, assume it's the 3D space, or you can add another light. See it better. Also adjust the resolution. Okay, I want to create a portal that shows this space, and the outer space is different. So add a rectangle SOP. A transform. I will adjust them later. Then geometry and render it. An important point is that you have to use the same camera for these two renders. So the camera for the render 1 is camera 1, and also for this one. So if I move the camera, you can see two geometries are composited together. Okay, I want this render just for this geometry. So from its parameters indicate the geometry. Also do it for the second render. Okay, now I have these two. Get a null and transform from the render 2. Decrease the scale of the transform. And composite these two. Connect to a comp top. Go to the parameters and change the operation to subdirect. Now I have something like a frame. Let's adjust the resolution for this one. And now I'm about to add composite them to create an illusion of a gate, a portal. I want to add another comp cop here. This time composite the first render with a smaller rectangle here. And the operator operation must be the multiply. So now if I enable the display preview and here change the camera, you can see this part of this render. And now another composition. Add these two together. Change the operation to add. First I have to add a null. And this null is created by default on the center of the axis. So I use this one for the look at, for the camera. And now I can rotate the camera and you can see the 3DS face behind the gate. And of course you can add another space for the outer, for the out of the portal. Okay, this is the basic of this technique. You can develop this one. For example, adding another box. And render it again. The same camera but new geometry. Increase the size of the box and again composite them. Connect this new render and the bigger rectangle here. So connect these together. And change the operation to difference. and again add another composite. And connect these two final compositions together. And change the operation to add. Now you can see the portal, the real portal here. Okay, this is it for now. You can play with the parameters or add more effects to get something you can call cool. I think it's fun enough for me. So have fun and see you later.